Who's to know what happens when the world ends? At least this is an okay bar for running into you. It's an awful house.
Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be prepping for college. My college starts tomorrow, which I feel is way too early. So we had to go to the college today for the document verification and registration processes. There was also an orientation after that. So we were at the college almost the entire day. And in the evening, we went for some shopping. I had to get a pouch, a water bottle, some stationery and accessories. So we went to Mr. DIY and got some stuff there. Here's a little college essentials haul. So firstly, I got this white transparent pouch to carry all my stationery in. It's simple but it's pretty. Then we have this spiral bound notebook which is divided into different sections so I can use it for different courses or different subjects. Instead of getting a lot of them for so many subjects, I just got one in which I can write everything. So it's very convenient and easy to carry. Next is this mini notepad. It's so cute. Plus it's so compact. I can carry it along anywhere and I can take down short notes here, write down things that I have to remember, and it's so cute. A bigger version of the notepad, again I can use it to make short notes, write down things to remember and make to-dos here. Then are these black gel pens. I've used them before and I really like how they write, so I just got another set. I also got these page markers or page flags and sticky notes to write down any ideas or short notes. Next are these very pretty pastel highlighters. I love them so much. I've ordered these from Amazon and I'm so excited to use them. Next is this steel water bottle. This one's also from Amazon. I had ordered another color actually, but this one's also good, so that's fine. After that, I have a few hair accessories to create new college looks and hairstyles. And a few hair clips to just tie my hair up whenever I'm working on a project or something. A set of 36 color pencils. These are not new, but I think we're going to use them a lot in college, so a college essential. And a sketchbook, again, we are going to use it a lot. Then a hairbrush. I don't know what it's doing here, but it's just there. An umbrella for the rainy days and too many bottles of hand wash and sanitizer. I just always have them in my bag from school days, so yeah. And obviously a backpack to carry all of it to college. Hi guys, it's the next day, which means college has already started and I am still prepping for college because if you all know, I have just come back from a trip and everything was so quick. After that, college started and I was not even ready. I did not even get time to be excited or nervous for college. So I am still preparing for college even though it has already started. Okay, now about what am I pursuing? I am doing Bachelor's of Design, which is a 4-year long course. So first year here is basically foundation, and in the second year you choose your majors and like the specializations in design that you want to choose. It could be industrial design, user experience, visual communication, graphics, animation, film and video. Then there is automobile design, fashion, communication. But the first year, which is the foundation, remains the same for all of these disciplines. The college name, I won't be able to reveal that as of now. But yeah, I am pursuing Bachelor's of Design from one of the colleges I always wanted to go to.